It's finally happening. Elon Musk has just revealed something that could completely redefine aviation forever: the 2026 Tesla superelectric plane. This isn't just another concept sketch or futuristic promise. This is a fully engineered, near-production prototype that combines Tesla's signature AI, sustainable power, and aerodynamic genius, all in one flying machine that looks like it was pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie. But here's the part that's absolutely shocking. This plane doesn't just fly, it learns. It studies air currents, analyzes turbulence, and even adapts its energy output in real time to make flight not only faster, but far smarter than anything humans have ever built. And if that wasn't enough, Elon Musk claims that this will be the first aircraft capable of intercontinental flight on pure electricity, no fuel, no emissions, and no noise pollution. So how did Tesla, a car company, suddenly become the future of aviation? Let's dive deep into the sky of innovation and uncover the story behind the Tesla superelectric plane, the aircraft that could make Boeing and Airbus panic. What if I told you this plane could fly from Los Angeles to Tokyo without a single drop of fuel? How can Tesla redefine the future of flight? Tesla didn't enter the skies by accident. This was always part of Musk's master plan: to create a fully electric, self-sustaining ecosystem where energy powers everything from homes to cars to planes. The Tesla superelectric plane is built on the same engineering philosophy that made Tesla cars unstoppable: simplicity, automation, and energy efficiency. The structure is made from a mix of ultralight carbon composites and recycled aluminum alloys, all precision cast using Tesla's GigaPress 2 Zero system. Yes, the same technology that revolutionized the Model Y and Model 2's body structure. But the real innovation? It's not just how it's built, it's how it thinks. Each plane runs on Tesla's Dojo supercomputer AI system, allowing it to process over 50 terabytes of data per flight. It learns from air traffic, weather systems, and even other Tesla planes to predict optimal routes and energy use. Imagine a jet that doesn't just fly. It adapts to the skies in real time. And here's where it gets wild. This jet can literally rewrite its own flight code mid-air if conditions change. This isn't just about innovation. It's about evolution. Elon Musk's vision is clear: create an aviation experience so autonomous, so efficient, that it feels like stepping into the future itself. The power behind the wings, Tesla's next-gen battery revolution. The biggest challenge in electric flight has always been the battery. How do you lift thousands of pounds of metal into the air using stored electricity without running out mid-flight? Elon Musk's answer: the supercell battery system. This is Tesla's new solid-state lithium-aluminum hybrid pack, designed with vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) in mind. Each cell is packed with 3 times the energy density of the Model S Plaid battery and can recharge to 80% in just 10 minutes. Now here's the kicker. These batteries are not placed under the cabin like traditional planes. Instead, Tesla has embedded them directly into the plane's skeleton, creating what Musk calls a power spine, a load-bearing energy structure that doubles as the backbone of the aircraft. This means less weight, more strength, and maximum efficiency. The battery doesn't just power the plane, it is the plane. But the real shock? These batteries can literally repair themselves using nanotech circuits if micro-damage is detected mid-flight. And yes, you heard that right. The Tesla superplane is designed to be self-healing. Tiny conductive channels inside the cells can reroute energy around damaged sections, keeping power flow uninterrupted. The result? A jet that can fly over 800 miles on a single charge with zero emissions, zero maintenance, and almost zero noise. Flight intelligence, how the Tesla plane thinks like a human pilot. Now this is where things start to get surreal. The Tesla superplane doesn't rely on traditional autopilot systems. It uses neural flight vision, a next-generation AI that blends real-world data with digital simulation. This allows the aircraft to see, predict, and respond to the world around it, just like a human brain. Imagine this. You're flying through storm clouds over the Pacific. Visibility drops to almost nothing. Traditional jets rely on radar, but the Tesla plane uses its AI sensory net, a system of micro cameras and LiDAR sensors mapped across the entire fuselage. It can see wind turbulence before it even hits. It can read air density like a sixth sense. And if you think that's impossible, this AI can detect bird flocks 10 miles away and adjust flight paths in milliseconds. This isn't just automation, it's intuition. The neural flight vision AI runs on a constantly evolving machine learning model that grows smarter with every flight. Every Tesla jet in the sky contributes to a shared network, a global AI brain that collectively improves efficiency, safety, and energy conservation. Essentially, every time a Tesla plane takes off, it makes the next one better. And because it's fully software-driven, updates happen over the air, just like your Tesla car. Imagine waking up one morning and your aircraft suddenly gets 10% faster, lighter, or safer with a single software patch. Design and innovation, the look of the future. Let's talk design, because this plane doesn't just fly differently, it looks like the future. The Tesla super electric plane has a sleek delta wing design with no traditional tail rudder. Instead, it uses AI-controlled airflows to steer. Microscopic vents embedded along the surface dynamically adjust lift and drag in real time. It's whisper quiet, stunningly aerodynamic, and shaped almost like a living organism. Tesla calls this design philosophy biomorphic flight. The entire structure mimics the natural movement of birds, flexible, reactive, and efficient. And if you're wondering about takeoff, it doesn't need a runway. It can lift vertically, like Iron Man's suit. That's right. This is a V2L aircraft capable of vertical takeoff and landing in just 60 seconds. No airports, no runways, no waiting. You could technically take off from a rooftop, recharge using Tesla's solar network, and land hundreds of miles away, all on clean, silent electricity. The bigger picture, how Tesla could change global aviation. Now imagine this on a global scale. Commercial flights, regional air taxis, private jets, all powered by Tesla's clean electric technology. No jet fuel, no carbon footprint, no noise pollution. Musk isn't just building a plane, he's building a network of the skies. Tesla, airports powered by solar energy, charging hubs positioned like superchargers in the air, and a unified flight control grid operated by Tesla AI. And here's the craziest part. Tesla's AI could one day manage the entire airspace autonomously, reducing collisions to zero. It's not fantasy anymore. Prototypes have already been spotted testing near Tesla's secret facility in Nevada. Leaked footage shows short-range VTOL flights reaching up to 40,000 feet, completely silent, stable, and emissions-free. If this scales, it could completely collapse the traditional aviation industry. Airlines would no longer need refueling infrastructure. Maintenance costs could drop by over 70%. Flights could become cheaper than car rides. This isn't just evolution, it's revolution. Finally, so here we are. standing at the edge of a new sky. Elon Musk's 2026 Tesla super-electric plane isn't just another invention. It's a statement that humanity's next frontier doesn't run on fuel. It runs on intelligence, on innovation, and on the relentless pursuit of a cleaner future. Just like Tesla changed the roads with EVs, it's now ready to change the skies with electricity and AI. Because the sky is no longer the limit, it's just Tesla's next stop. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the future of flight, make sure you stay tuned, because this is only the beginning of the electric aviation revolution. This is Road Zone Reviews, where innovation meets imagination and the future just took off.